Laizhou Oriental Machinery Company Limited, total assets of $4 million USD, occupies an area of nearly 5,000 square meters. It is located in Laizhou City, Shandong Province, China, 150 kilometers away from Qingdao Liuting International Airport, about 1.5 hours by car, and 180 kilometers away from Yantai International Airport, about 2 hours by car. 150 kilometers away from Qingdao Port, it enjoys convenient traffic conditions. Our factory is engaged in producing and manufacturing stone cutting machine, CNC 5-axis bridge saw, stone polishing machine, wire saw, and different construction machines, etc. We have professionally a technical production team and a perfect after-sales service system. We are the pioneer in China who produce the CNC 5-axis bridge saw. The machine combines multiple functions into one, supports multilingual interface, all-pattern operation, with very easy and intelligent operating system. Create huge wealth for customers, get praise from customers. Our stone block processing machine has high degree of automation, high degree of intelligence, stable quality of processed products, fast efficiency, saving labor and cost. They are ideal choice for processing stone. Now we are one of the professional suppliers of these products in China. Every year, we will supply for customers from different countries thousands of different kinds of stone machinery. We have got CE certificate. Welcome you to visit our company.